Alright, so beautiful. You know what's the flower is this? They are the lovely lemonade. Look, very nice. And we got more leaves. Look, new lives approach. Very small for now compared to this soft, super light green. I love it. There's more here. So meaning these babies here, not so baby anymore now. They love cold weather for them to create the new leaves. Look. So therefore, this one is you can do the flowers is developing since the weather is slowly calmed down from the heat, like maybe last summer, and then this one develop really a lot in one bunch. Look, it's very incredible. And first time growing this ever in a few years now. And look at the result, guys. Actually, this is grafting, you know, really good. The good you buy the fruits like this. If you're very lucky, the grafted that you bought. So this is and then here they are. So many flowers in one bunch. That's what they said. Too many cold, yet only few are staying and keep stronger and goes to fruits. As you can see. So when you start like that, you start giving them really good nutrients. Of course, naturally nutrients like we're gonna help her to remove this one, like chicken manure and blood bone. And then once they grow like this, a lot of fruits, you start giving them a potash, especially the ash from your firewood. Yeah, if you don't want like potash liquid, I do both. Only few, put only the few, you know. Don't put too much, otherwise you burn your plant. So you always start giving potash liquid or wood ash, firewood. Then these fruits will develop fire. It won't fall because of that. That's how they need, you know. Yeah. So by the time I'm sharing this to you next time, in a few months or so, or weeks, this one develop the fruits. So we'll see how many in a few months. Only a few years old, this one, but it's already